Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get Salesforce security token. All right. Getting your Salesforce security token is actually pretty easy to do. Well, the first thing that you need to do here is just go ahead and log into your Salesforce dashboard. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and click on your profile right here at the top right. Click on it, and below your name, you'll be able to find settings. All right. Click on it. Now, once you're in here, as you can see, we're being landed to personal information. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead and just scroll down a bit. And as you can see here, we have reset my security token option. Just click on it. All right. As you can see here, we have the button to reset security token. When you click on it, as you can see, I'm going to click on it. And it says here, check your email. We'll send the new security token to the email address for your account, which is this email. So I'm going to open it up right here. As you can see, here's our security token. Now, if you're having a problem where you can't see a security token right here or reset security token button, make sure that you don't have any ad blocker running on the background. All right. I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn on my ad blocker right here. As you can see, we can't display this page because your browser blocks cross-domain cookies. But you can view this page in Salesforce Classic. If you want to use Salesforce Classic just to view the security tokens, you can go ahead and do so. All right. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.